Today, we're making the most delicious blackened mahi mahi tacos. They're perfect for Taco Tuesday or any random day. Before I begin, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video for me if it was helpful, and let's jump in. First, we're going to begin by seasoning our mahi mahi. I'm using about a little bit under 2 pounds of mahi mahi. As you can see, I went ahead and cut them in half so they can be a nice, decent size. I'm going in by making a marinade. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil, about 3 tablespoons of oil to a bowl or a measuring cup. Then I'm going in with half a orange juice. I'm going to squeeze that in. Perfect. I have half a lime juice that I'm going to squeeze in as well. Just make sure you don't add any seeds. It might make it bitter, okay? And also I have my own homemade blackened seasoning. I'll leave everything down below for you. I have cumin, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. I have a little bit of Old Bay in here as well. I'm going to pour it into my cup and give it a mix as I go. And there you have it, a nice thick marinade. This is the consistency we're looking for. And now I'm ready to season or marinate this mahi mahi. And now I'm just going to add that on top, just like this. And we're going to rub it in. Oof. Nothing wastes, so make sure you get every bit of that marinade. Now you can allow this to marinate for about 15 minutes before you begin. That is exactly what I'm going to do because we're going to move on to our salsa and our crema sauce. All right, guys, it's time to make the homemade salsa. I went ahead and cut everything off camera to save you guys some time. So I have mango, jalapeno, red onion, red bell peppers, fresh cilantro, also some salt and pepper, orange, and lime. Let's do it. To a bowl, I'm going to pour in my mangoes. This is 1 mango, okay? I diced it myself. It's better, so sweet. Okay, next I'm going in with half jalapeno, okay? If you want it spicy, you can keep the seeds, but if you don't want it spicy, you know what to do. I'm going in with about 1/4 of a red onion. And same thing for the bell pepper. Some fresh cilantro. Perfect. Now I'm going in with 1 lime. Ooh, everything just smells so fresh. Love, love it. Squeeze that in, just like this. Also, I'm going in with, this is optional, okay? With about a little bit of orange juice. Perfect. Now we're going to add some salt and pepper to taste. Give it a quick mix, just like this. And make sure you taste it if you need to add more salt or pepper. And there you have it. Our delicious homemade mango salsa. Perfect. Let's taste it. So good. So good. Time to make the crema sauce. This sauce takes a little bit of ingredients, but the taste, the flavor is so bold. So we're going in with about 4 ounces of sour cream. Next, you're going in with a little bit of jalapeno if you like it spicy. I do love me some spicy tacos. I'm going in with a little bit of fresh cilantro. When I say spicy, I mean it. I'm going in with 1 chipotle and adobo sauce. This stuff right here is very spicy. The jalapeno was just for some flavor, but this Just a little bit of this, okay? Not too much. Just a little bit of that. And then I'm going in with 1 garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper, and a little bit of milk, just to make sure it's nice and liquidy. Cover it and blend. All right, guys, our crema sauce is done. We gotta taste it. Let's see. That is good. That is delish. Okay, I'm just going to pour it in here so we can set it aside. Ooh, that is delicious. I've never tried it with chipotle sauce before. It is a game changer, okay? Perfect. That is good. Now it's time to cook our fillets. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil to my medium-high heat skillet. A non-stick skillet is best because, you know, they kind of wet. You don't want them to stick on the pan. I'm going in. Just add them right in. Just like this. And I'm going to cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then flip them over until they're nice and blackened and just flaky in the middle, okay? Maybe I can just place all of them in here. Woo. Smells amazing, of course. Absolutely delish. Okay, now I'm going to allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Listen, the aroma in here, baby, it's to die for. It's time to flip our mahi mahi. So let's do it. Flip them over. Ooh, that smells good. Ooh, that looks good. Oh yes, perfect. All this is flavor right there, okay? Perfect. We're gonna let the other side go for another 4 minutes. And it should be ready. Perfect. It is time to remove the fillets. They are looking gorgeous, as you can see. Smelling absolutely, absolutely delish. Whew. Oh yes. Whew. Gotta be careful. Fun fact about me, this is actually one of my favorite tacos to eat whenever I go to a taco place. I always ask for mahi mahi tacos. They're so good, so flavorful, and quick too. They're quick and easy to make at home. Ooh, there you go. Absolutely delish. I'm going to quickly heat up my tortilla. I have a non-stick skillet here. Added a little bit of oil just so it doesn't burn. Then I'm going to flip it back and forth until it's nice and hot. Or if you're looking for color on it, you can leave it a little bit longer. And this is the color we're looking for. This is pretty much done. Just going to keep repeating the step over and over. All right, guys, we're going to assemble our tacos. I have the fish right here, my tortilla, my crema sauce, absolutely delicious, my fresh homemade mango salsa. I have some purple cabbage right here, and some lime to garnish with some avocado to garnish as well. So let's do it. Y'all, look at these beauties. They are absolutely colorful, delicious, of course. Let's give them a bite. Ooh, this one is stuffed. Ready? You guys, these tacos are fire. So flavorful. That crema sauce is absolutely delicious. The fresh mango salsa adds so much flavor to these tacos. You gotta try it, okay? Whenever you're having a Taco Tuesday, give these a try. They are absolutely delicious. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Anyways, if you try these, let me know down below. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to my channel for more recipes like this one. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.